Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a massive showdown for you. The Vivo X200 Pro versus the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Two flagship smartphones. Two different ecosystems, but which one comes out on top? Let's dive in and find out. Part 1. Design and build quality. First up, let's talk design. The Vivo X200 Pro boasts a sleek, curved glass back with a premium matte finish, and it's surprisingly lightweight. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro Max continues Apple's tradition of a flat-edged stainless steel frame with a ceramic shield front. It's sturdy, but a bit heavier. Personally, I love the ergonomics of the Vivo, but the iPhone feels more solid. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Display. Now, let's talk displays. The Vivo X200 Pro features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and it's super smooth. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a 6-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, also 120Hz. Both are stunning, but the Vivo's colors pop a bit more, while the iPhone's brightness and true-to-life colors are hard to beat. Honestly, you can't go wrong with either. But if you're a content creator, the iPhone's color accuracy might give it a slight edge. Performance. Performance time. The Vivo X200 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, paired with up to 16GB of RAM. It's a beast for gaming and multitasking. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, on the other hand, rocks the new A18 Bionic chip. And we all know Apple's chips are just next level. In real-world usage, both phones are blazing fast. But the iPhone's optimization with iOS gives it a slight edge in long-term performance and efficiency. Therefore, camera. Alright, let's talk cameras. The most exciting part? The Vivo X200 Pro has a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 48MP case main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP telephoto. In daylight, both phones deliver stunning shots, but the Vivo's colors are more vibrant. At night, the iPhone's night mode is still the king. For video though, the iPhone's cinematic mode and stabilization are unbeatable. Watts. 5. Battery and charging. Battery life is crucial, right? The Vivo X200 Pro packs a 5500 mAh battery with 120 W fast charging. You can go from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a 4000 A18 battery with 30 Wh fast charging. It lasts all day, but the Vivo's charging speed is just insane. There is a 6 price and value. Now, let's talk price. The Vivo X200 Pro starts at around $899, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $899, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $199. That's a $300 difference. If you're on a budget, the Vivo offers incredible value. But if you're deep into the Apple ecosystem, the iPhone might be worth the splurge. So which one should you buy? If you want the best camera, seamless performance, and don't mind spending extra, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the way to go. But if you want a feature-packed phone with insane charging speeds and a more affordable price tag, the Vivo X200 Pro is a fantastic choice. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick, Vivo or iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!